Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So as you know, in previous video we have discussed how we can manipulate this data from our DB. Okay, so and in previous video we have decided that in this video we are going to see, like, we are going to work on iframes. Okay, like a video tag, like how can we play a video and every stuff. Okay, so as you know, this part are done in previous videos. If I click on watch now, then we will redirect it to the this one screen. Okay, I'm unable to scroll, by the way, here. Okay, so first of all, like, if I go back here, okay, I'm on this screen. Okay, if I click on this, so it take around like 1 second, but we can't see any indicator. So in previous video, we have seen like how we can add a top loader. Okay, so I will first of all, we will add a top loader. Okay, so I will go to next top loader and this one npm package. I will copy this and I will install first this package. Okay, so in previous video we have faced some issue regarding this. So what changes I have done? So as you know, in previous video our react version was some like 19 rc. Okay, but I have reduced it to 18. Okay, and next is 15. Okay, perfect. Now let's install this npm package and start working with this. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, and now I will paste it and I will say, and now let's uncomment. I think I will go to layout.jsx and I will uncomment these line of code. Okay, and let's see will this work or not. Okay, you can see like our package is successfully installed. Okay, now I can close my terminal, and now if I go here and come back to my home page, and if I refresh, so right now if I click on any of the movie, okay, so you can see we have one loader on the top. Okay, so if I show you again, if I click on any particular movie like this one, so you can see we have a blue color of icon, like kind of a one straight line going forward. Okay, so let's change its color first. Okay, see what issue we are getting right now. See, in this top loader, if you show on this corner, right corner, okay, you will get a one circle kind of loading, but I don't want to display that. So for that, what I will do right now, I will basically say here, show spinner equals to false. Okay, I don't want to show any kind of spinner here. So I will come here and I will add here attribute, and I will say here false. Okay, I don't want this. Now after that, I want its color to be red. Okay, so I will change its color to red, and let me paste the color here, red. Okay, cool, perfect. Now if I go back, and you can see we are getting one loader. Okay, if I click on watch now, we are getting loader. Okay, perfect. Now you can see like I have coded a little bit for this player. Okay, I have created this player. Okay, not exactly player, but I have taken few help of one website. Okay, so if you see here, we are able to play a video perfectly. Okay, cool, fine. Now what in this video we are going to do, this is a demo video. Okay, but instead of this demo video, we want that we can play the actual video. Okay, actual video means actual video which if you want to watch this one particular video, so if I click on this watch now, then I should watch this video exactly, not a demo video. Okay, so cool, perfect. So let's start how we can do. Okay, first of all, let me show you the iframe code. Okay, like what I have done here. First of all, so see, nothing I have done. This is my watch one page where we can watch. Okay, so what I'm saying here, basically, when anyone come to this route na, slash watch. Okay, so I'm making one if condition here. Okay, if movie of 2 means on the index of 2, if there is watch, okay, then I will return this one line of code. Okay, so what exactly does this code do? So this code will basically have like urls of video, like in 360p and 480p, after that 108p. Okay, like three qualities will be there. It will come from db, and we can set it to 4K. That is our wish. Okay, perfect, cool. Now what do I want? I want that I can basically say this thing ki, I'm rendering this video player. Okay, and I've created this video player in my player.jsx file, and here I have just created a simple component. I've created one array. Okay, I have created one state. Okay, use state. I am storing the value of a url, like src, and I am wrapping, like I am returning one div here. Okay, and inside this div I have one iframe, and I am saying allow full screen to this iframe, and I am saying autoplay should be allowed. So autoplay allow. Okay, and full screen is fine. Now next, what I'm saying that this is my url. So how did I get this url? Okay, there are slightly changes. Okay, there are slightly changes. So how did I get this url? See, if I'm creating a sample iframe of any video, okay, then there will be like any custom there will not be any custom I can say indicators. Okay, like if I show you right now, So if I go to watch now, and if I, you can see this play pause button like icon is not there, this timer is there, there here, I can say basically volume button is there, after that this is there. So what exactly in this video we are going to do, we will create here one setting button for quality, okay, where we can set the quality of that video. Okay, so if I go on my browser and I will search here one player, one line player. Okay, so I have taken help of this website. Okay, I have pasted the URL of this video whatever I want to play, and I have a, now you can see this video is getting played here. Okay, fine, cool, perfect. Now this website has given me this iframe. Okay, so this is an iframe code which is provided by this website. Now I can easily embed, I can easily copy this code in my website, and I can easily play the video. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what does next I will do? Okay, I will basically say this is my URL, and now I will say, so whatever the URL I am having. Okay, so at a moment, so this is a progress bar. After that poster, this is my video. Okay, here from here my video is getting started. Okay, so I will okay, first of all let me remove the my video is getting started from here. Okay, so one sec, I have removed a lot, I shouldn't do that much. So this is my video in mp4 format, and now I will get this URL. Okay, so somehow like this, and I will say here URL. Okay, and I will wrap this src in form of one I can say curly brackets, and inside curly brackets one backtick, and same at the closing place. Okay, perfect, fine. Now I will play this video URL. Okay, if I come here, if I refresh, then you can see like we have successfully played this video. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next exactly do we need? See, if I go back, I go back if I go back, one sec, why should I not be able to go back? Okay, here I am. Okay, on this page, if I click on this watch now button, okay, so I want that few process should happen. Okay, like URLs should be generated here. Okay, so what will I do right now? I will basically send the URLs. Okay, I will send the URLs in form of params. Okay, so what will I do right now? I will say basically when I click on this what can I say, when first of all let's get the links. Okay, first of all let's get the link on this page. Okay, so I will say basically here console.log links. Okay, so I will say basically console.log, I will say links. Okay, and let's see what output do we get here. So currently we are seeing that we are not getting even a single link of this particular movie. Okay, if I come back, okay, on home page, if I do click here, okay, so you can see I am getting the URLs, okay, of this particular movie. Perfect, fine. Now now what do I get, what do I will what do I need? I need basically here when I am on this one page now, this one page. Okay, so I want that I should send these URLs. Okay, these URLs in form of params. Okay, so let's see how we can do. Okay, so for that what I will do right now, I will say basically this is my watch now button. Okay, so I will say here comma. Okay, and I want that I want to return these something from here. So I will say basically here $1 sign. Okay, and I will say basically this thing, and or else what can I say? Let me do this part stuff of line of code here. So I will say const params, or I will say URL params, or I will say video params. video video params is equals to, I will say links dot map. Okay, and I want to map what here, I will say item, I will say item, and or I can basically even say dot map item, and I want to return from here what, I want to return something from here, correct? So what do I need? I want to return basically here one quality, and quality in form of a string. Okay, in form of a string I will return. So I will say basically here I want this thing, okay, and I will say equals to. So I want here this quality first, okay. So I will say basically item dot quality, okay. And next is equals to this quality is this, okay, and I will say, so this is here, okay, and I will say item dot url, okay, url, okay, fine, perfect. Now what next do I need? I need basically here and also, okay, and sign must be there, okay. Or I will say let it be like this, let it be like this for now. And let's console this, okay, let's console this. So let's see the output in console. What do we get right now? So you can see we are getting somehow like this, okay, our video format, okay, perfect, fine. Now what do I need next? I want that I want to join these params by end, okay. So for that what I will do, I can basically easily say dot join uh, join by one bracket, and I can easily say end, okay. So if I again see here, so I am getting somehow this kind of data, okay, perfect, this is fine. Even now what do I need here? I want that I want to send this data in form of a query, okay. So for that what I will do, I will basically say here na. So I think we can do this joining part even here also. So I will say join end, and let's see will I get the same output or not, okay. So let's see okay, cool, perfect, we are getting the same output. Now I can basically achieve this thing easily here. I will say comma like question mark, and I will send this as an params, okay, perfect, fine. Now I am sending this as an params, okay, fine, perfect. Now what do I need? I can remove this console from here, and I can come here on this page, and if I refresh right now, so I'm here, okay. If I click on watch now, so you can see that we are getting some this kind of url, okay, some stuff of like question mark is there, after that few qualities are there, okay. So now what do I need here? I will basically get these urls here, okay. I will basically get these urls here, so, okay. So what do I need next? I need to go to Next.js documentation, okay. So I will go to Next.js documentation, and from documentation we will see how can we get search params, okay. So I will say search params, okay. So params and search params, okay, and I will select this js, okay, and this is my params, and let's, okay, here is our search params, okay. So this is our search params, and I can say here comma search params, okay. And if I console right now here my search params, console.log control v comma control v, okay, perfect, fine. Now you can see, do I am getting something? No, I will not get, because we need to do one thing like this also. So I need to do somehow. Let me first of all do this, okay. We will do this, or we Next.js updated its documentation, and let's see how we can do the same, okay. So this is my search param, okay, and after that I will basically say from search param, or we will use this same method as they do previously, okay? So I will basically say here, and I will get my quality in which formats. So this is my search param, and we are getting some error because Next.js has updated its documentation, and we are not following that. In route this search query was expected await, okay. Cool, perfect, we are getting the same error as Next.js has given us, okay. So I will basically say my search param, okay, and I will do this, and I will use await. I don't need props, I need search params. So this is my search param, I will say comma, and I will get from this search param for 480p quality, okay. I think 480p is it was 480p, yeah, 480p 480p 480p, is it so? But how we can get this? It must be in form of a string, and we don't want it as a number, so we are getting an error right now. We will fix this error here. So we will see, we will add a few line of we will add p in starting. Okay, so or we can say qu is equals to qa 480 like 480p, qu quality 480p. Okay, so I will say basically qa 480p. Okay, fine. Now if I do basically here 480p params, okay, what should I get in my console? I'm getting an undefined. Okay, and let me go back and let me come again from here. If I come here, so I'm getting here qu 480p is equals to this. Okay, and here I'm getting undefined. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me do somehow like this. Am I not adding p? I am not adding p, is it so? I'm adding p at the end. Why is it so? Why I'm adding at the end? I don't require. I will just leave from end p. Okay, I don't require p at a moment. I will refresh it, or I will go back. I will go back, and if I refresh it here, so it is saying that p is not defined. So we will copy it and we will paste it here, and let's see will our page get successfully loaded. Okay, our page is successfully loaded and our video is playing. Okay, and in my params I have gotten my 480p quality. Okay, and now if I do same for 480p and 720p, after that 1080. Okay, fine, perfect. Now what I will do here? Okay, and now we don't have 360 quality. Okay, I will basically send from here 480p 720 and this URL. Okay, now first of all let's send. Okay, let's send this thing. But before this, what do I need? I want that I should get some kind of data from my DB, or I should generate I can say basically I can say basically I should generate some pre-signed URL to watch, because if I will try to access my DB right now, I will get complete error. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So if I say here quality of 480p, okay, like quality of 1080, and if I remove 1080 from my params, okay, if I remove from my params, and then what should I get in my console? Of course undefined. Fine, we are getting undefined. Now what do I need next? I need basically I need to generate one pre-signed URL. Okay, so let's start generating a pre-signed URL, and we want that those pre-signed URLs should be valid for I can say basically 2 hours. Okay, perfect. Now let's generate some pre-signed URLs. So how we can generate a pre-signed URL? So we will create one function. Okay, new file, generate pre-signed URLs. Okay, pre-signed URLs .js. Okay, perfect. Now I want that I need to configure my s3 bucket. Okay, this is my s3 bucket, and I will paste it here. And now let me do this stuff of code also. Okay, let me do copy pasting. Okay, like we have done almost everything. So I will basically remove XCOs from here. I don't require XCOs. I don't require caching. Okay, caching we have set it fine. I will basically say here generate pre sign urls, okay, and I will get here array of keys, okay, array of keys, okay. Perfect. Now what do I want? Like, I want that I should return the pre-signed urls in form of an array, okay. Perfect, fine. Now what I will say basically here, okay, first of all let's ask gpt what our chat gpt will say to us, okay. I will say I want to uh, generate a pre-signed urls of uh, particular video, and I want these to be uh, valid for 2 hours, okay, and I will hit enter. So let's wait for a while, and it has started coding for me, okay. I don't want to save, by the way, movies in my DB, okay. Let me copy it and let me paste everything here, okay. Now let me first remove unwanted code, okay. So what will be here? Unwanted code. I will get only array of keys, okay. I will get here keys, okay, and I will say params, and this is my bucket name, okay. So here is my bucket name will be in my s3 bucket. So my bucket name will be this, and I will copy it and I will paste it here, okay. So this is my bucket name, and now what I want that when I will map on these, now I will say basically I will get an urls, okay. So I will say basically url, okay. So I don't require this, so I require basically so this is generating a pre-signed url for me, and this is returning me perfectly. Now I don't want to save in my db. First of all, I don't want to save it in my db. Now next I want to that key I will having this, okay, and I'm sending this as an url. So I don't want to send my key, okay. I want to just send an url, okay. Whatever the url is generated, I want to return it, and I am returning an array of urls, okay. Perfect. Now but before sending, I want to console it, like what exactly does I receive, okay. So I will say console dot log urls, okay. And if I return if I got any error, so I will return from here false, like something is wrong and you need to watch, okay. So I am not setting it from any bug, I can say from env I'm not getting, I'm just writing my bucket name itself here, okay. Fine, perfect. Now here can, okay, fine. Now what next do I need? I want to call this function also, okay, somewhere. So I will call this function here first of all, okay. So I will say basically, what will I say? I will basically say I will first of all say here I will say basically this qualities, okay. And in our website only 3 qualities are there, okay. 480, 720, and this. Now what do I need? I want that I will say basically let, okay, I'm creating a let I will say first of all key array is equals to an empty array, okay. And I will say basically if 480, like if 480p is not null, okay, then I want to push like keyframe dot like key array dot push. What I want to push? I want to push my 480p1 quality, okay. And I want to do this the same for two other qualities also, like 720p1 and 1080p also, okay. Perfect. Now next what I want, let's console this array, okay. What array exactly do I am printing in my console? Okay, perfect. Now let's see. If I refresh, I'm getting an undefined. Why is it so? Array of undefined. Undefined shouldn't be there, but not an issue. Let's observe how, like, why we are getting this. So key array was this, and we are pushing simply a few like qualities itself. So now, first of all, let me see. Do I am getting something like undefined for this? No, I am not getting any undefined. Now, if now first of all, if this is true, means at a moment this is true, but it is making true false. So first of all, let me remove these. Okay, perfect. Now let me see key array. Okay, and now you can see that I am getting these two qualities, but third one I am not getting. Why is it so? Because third one I have not added. Let's get the third one also. Okay, now I should get the three URLs. Okay, perfect. Now I am getting the keys. Now what do I need? I want that I want to generate a pre-signed URL. So I will say const and pre-signed URLs. So I will say basically I will say basically quality 480 control C. I will say quality 480p. Okay, like or let it be like array. Okay, let it be like array. So first of all, let me send here an object. Okay, first of all, let me push here an object itself. So what I will say, I want to push here an object, and quality will be 480p here at this moment, and my key will be this. Okay, okay, cool, perfect. I want to generate the present URL somehow like this. Okay, so this will be 720p, and this will be 1080p. Okay, perfect. Now first of all, let me do somehow like this, and perfect. Now next, what do I need? I want that I need to generate the present URLs. Okay, so I will say present URLs. So I will say const pre or I can say video source itself. Okay, because exactly what we are getting, we will get a video source itself now. So is equals to await. I will use here await, and get present URLs. I will say get what is our function name first of all? Okay, it is generate present URLs. Okay, so I will say generate present URLs, and I will pass from here key array. Okay, I will pass from here key array. Perfect. Now I can remove this thing, or I will first of all let me return the. Okay, okay, we are removing this. Okay, now next, what I will do right now here, I want that when I have got these pre-signed URLs now, I want to first of all, let's console exactly what do we are getting. Okay, in pre-signed URLs. So let's first of all, let's do some more changes. Okay, let's go to our generate pre-signed URL. Okay, and I am getting here array. Okay, so this is my key. Okay, and inside my key, what will I receive? I will receive basically here two things. First of all, first thing I will get key, and second is quality. Okay, so I will say basically I am getting key and quality. So I will say I will do this kind of thing. Okay, so this is my key. Okay, and this is my quality, and now I will return the same here. Okay, and I will return the same. Control V. I am returning quality and like I can say URL. Okay, and now I want to see what exactly like it is generated for us. Okay, so if I come here, do I'm consoling in key array? Yes, I'm consoling in key array, but I don't want to console. I want to console here. I can say basically a video source. Okay, perfect, fine. Now let's move here and let's remove this thing, and let's refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here, guys, it has generated me and present URLs, okay, which are valid for if I do control click on these, then it will open in a browser, and it is saying some signature you provided your key and sign in method. Okay, Okay, after doing a lot of research, like I have done a little bit of mistake that like our pre-signed URLs were not working. So I paused the video and I'm here. Okay. So what I was doing mistake. So I was providing my expire key inside my I can say basically params. Okay. But I want to provide while configuring my S3 bucket. Okay. So I have provided here expiration time in here. Okay. So next, what do I need? I am returning these URLs and I am sending these URLs. Okay. So if I show you right now, if I do like control click on this, so if I open it in new tab, so you can see our video has started downloading. Okay, so we will remove this. We don't require this. Let me remove it also and come back here. So now we are successfully getting our data. Okay, we are successfully getting quality and everything. Okay, so I will come back to my page.jsx file. Okay, so this is my page.jsx file, and what I need right now here, I need that what do I need? I need that I need to pass these qualities here. Okay, I need to pass these qualities here. I will remove this and I will say control click, and I will say basically I will say basically I will say I will first of all I will receive your video quality. Okay, one sec. Video sources. Okay, video sources, and now what I will say basically video sources, this will come in an array. So I want of 0th index dot and I want to first dot url. Okay, dot url. Okay, now I have set the url and I am playing the url here. Okay, fine, perfect. Now next what I need, okay, that for changing the quality we will create for a while, for a little bit of bit of time. Okay, if I refresh it right now, so video is not found or not supported. Okay, cool, fine. So right now if I do mm, 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 I will open this in new tab. Okay, so I will say, or else what we will do, we will remove this everything, we don't require this. Okay, we will use our normal video tag. Okay, we will say to AI, control click, play a video. Okay, so it is accepted. Okay, and I will say this thing and type is this, url is this, and controls are there and autoplay is there. After that I will come here and in my css and I will change the iframe to video. Okay, so this is my video. Okay, fine. Now if I again refresh it right now, and now you can see like our video has been loaded and started. Even if I play it, so you can see our video has been started playing. Okay, and let me pause it. So you can see our video has been successfully started. Okay, fine. Now if I come back and if I go to any other video file. Okay, so if I come here and if I do like on this one movie, and if I click on watch now, okay, and the video has been started loading. Okay, and our video is successfully loaded. So we are getting an output. Okay, it has successfully started and playing even. Okay, now what do I need? I want basically that we can change the qualities of this video. Okay, for that what will I do? Let's say I will click on watch now, and we will wait for here. Okay, and I don't want to play it right now. So what do I need? I want that on this one side now we will create four like three buttons. Okay, for 320p and 480p. Okay, so what do I need? I will basically say I will come here and I will basic sorry in my player.jsx, and here I will create one div. Okay, I will create one div, and I will provide this div as class name as styles dot quality. Okay, and what do I need? I want that I need to set the quality here. Okay, so I will say basically const and qa comma set qa. Okay, is equals to user state, and user state will be what will be the use state. One sec guys, is it started playing? Let me pause it. Okay, here I am. Okay, and I will say basically a video URL of 0th index and dot what will be there. It was quality we was sending. Okay, we were sending quality. Okay, and but from server side what we are getting? Let's verify this thing also. Okay, this thing and quality. Okay, okay, cool, perfect. Now I will come here and I will say dot quality. Okay, fine. Now what do I need next? I want that we will create here four three divs. Okay, three divs. Or I will say basically video source dot map. Okay, I will say video source, one sec video source dot map, and I need to map it somehow like this, and I will return from here one div. Okay, I will say return div, and let me do div, and I want that this div should be closed. Now what do I need? I want to pass here quality. Okay, so for that what do I will do, I will basically say uh, qa. Okay, not qa, I want to set it item. Okay, and I will say basically item dot not video source, that will be quality. Okay, so quality. Okay, fine. Now what do I need next? I need that when I click on this particular button, something should happen. Okay, so I will say on click. Okay, on click call one function. Okay, and I want to set a qa to what, quality, item of quality, correct? So I will say basically item dot quality. Okay, and what does this will do? When I click on this now, it should change the url also. Okay, it should change the url too. So I will say change url, and what will I say? Item dot url. Okay, so I will say url. Perfect, fine. Now what do I need? I'm returning these things, and let me provide one key also here. Okay, so I will say index, and my key will be here. So this will be my key as an index. Okay, perfect, fine. Now let's do some styling for this. So I will come here and I will say quality, and I will make its display as a flex, no, position as absolute first of all, so that it can float on the screen. Okay, and we'll say position fixed. Okay, fixed is fine. I will say right to be one sec, right to be 0. Okay, and if I come here and refresh, and let me refresh. Okay, cool. We are not getting any text here, by the way. Let's see why we are not getting. We are displaying our text. Okay, and we are providing the quality even. Okay, cool, perfect. Now, what do I need? We need to verify why we are not getting this text. Okay, so I will come here and let's. This is my quality. Okay, so is it there? Yes, is this is there, but we are not getting. Okay, like colors we are not able to set. Okay, no problem. I will say top as 0. Okay, top to be 0, and inside my quality na, there is one div tag. Inside my quality there is one div tag. So let's first of all I will say color to be white. Okay, and now I will say basically font size to be 30 pixel, font weight to be bolder. Okay, and if I come here and I will change a little bit. I want this at the end p should be added. Okay, to every quality. Okay, fine, perfect. Now you can see we are getting 480p, 720 and 1080p. The font size is too big. Let me do it 25. Okay, fine. Now what next do I need? I want to do basically fine. I will provide here a margin. Okay, margin as a 10 pixel, padding to be 10 pixel, and border radius to be 5 pixel, and border should be 1 pixel, solid, one sec, solid and red. Okay, and let me make instead of red some gray kind of effect. Okay, some gray kind of effect, so it will look like somehow this. And now next I want that is padding came, padding has not came 10 pixel. Okay, not an issue. We will set the same here. Okay, we will set the same here, but the border color is fine. Okay, so these are my qualities. I don't require here border. Okay, and I don't require padding. Okay, padding is required. Okay, padding we are giving. Now now I want that any kind of cursor to be when I hover on them, a cursor should be as a pointer. What Okay, let me pause it. So perfect, we are if I click on 720p, then our 720p video should load. Okay, and it should start playing. Okay, if I come here, if I click on this, is this loading? Is our video of the quality working fine? Of course, so video quality is not changing. How we can see whether the video quality is changing or not? Okay, let's ask to an AI. Control K. I will say video quality is not changing. Okay, I know use effect will be used here. With the help of use effect we can achieve this. Okay, cool, perfect. They have given me a final output, what exactly we required here. Okay, so they have just used one a use effect and nothing else they have done. Okay, cool, perfect, fine. Now I will come here. Okay, and if I come here, I don't want to play it. If I go to 480p, so right now, do my video URL changed? Do my video URL changed? How I can get this, whether my video URL is changing or not? We can easily get that. We will come here and inside my body, okay, inside my video tag, so we will observe whether our URL is changing or not. Okay, so this is my 480p video. If I click on 780p or like 720p, is this changing? Is this changing? Okay, let me, I think I'm in my terminal, that's why it's not changing. Okay. If I come here and if I see to my element, so my video tag has a quality of 720p. Previously it was 1080p. Okay, fine, our video URL is perfectly changing. So what next right now? So our next task is if my video quality, okay, like here, okay, here, so let me do some styling. Okay, styling, if video quality is the same to like this quality is the same to same, if video quality is the same to same, one second, if quality is equals to item dot quality. Okay, so what do I need, what do I need here? I will use an end tag and I will say color, color to be white. Okay, mm, hashtag FFF. Okay, perfect, perfect. Why we are getting an error? Let me figure it out. We will ask this thing to an AI. Okay, so it is saying it has not given me the output. Okay, so what I will say, I will ask this thing to debug. Okay, debug this, so it will see. And okay, it has given me some, I will accept it, and it has said me that quality is equals to and okay, cool, perfect. Okay, fine. Also I will say fine, color is white, fine. I want to say that background color. Okay, so I will say background color should be red. Okay, red, and fine. If I refresh, currently it's on 480p. If I come to 720p, if I come to 480p, perfect, fine. We are now displaying the video in different qualities. Okay, fine, perfect. Now we have achieved this functionality even. Now if I can zoom it, okay, perfect. Now cool, we have achieved this thing. If I forward it, okay, so I can play. Okay, if I can now go back, and if I do, like if I start playing some other video. Okay, some other video. Okay, so this one. Okay, and this video is here, and if I say watch now, so a video has started playing. Okay, I will pause it immediately. Okay, now if I go back, means a video are perfectly playing. Okay, now what do I need next? I need basically fine, guys, like we have achieved this. Now from next video we will authenticate it. Okay, what does I mean from authenticate? So basically we will add here uh, authentication. Okay, authentication. So like if you are not logged in on this site, I not want you to access this home page. Okay, I don't want you to access this home page. I want you to throw on the like slash login page. Okay, or something home like this base URL one page. Okay, this thing we are going to achieve in next video, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me on various platforms. Okay, thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.